Good evening, friends. Today I'm coming out with a new topic. As you all know, a great enthusiasm is seen among the investors on Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC's initial public offer IPO. So, this topic I have taken today, and I'm going to discuss something about the issue and what are the characteristic features, etc. etc. Now, regarding Life Insurance Corporation of India, it needs no introduction. Is one of the greatest. It is one of the leading insurance players in the country, number one player in the country. Now they are coming out with a IPO. Now this is, in a way, we can say this is not. This is offer for sale. Means this is not a right issue, or we can term it as offer for sale. What is called offer for sale? The Life Insurance Corporation of India, the government of India is holding 100% in this company. Now out of that, 5% they are coming out with offer for sale. What is offer for sale? The entire proceeds of offer for sale, which is expected to around 60,000 crores, will go to government of India. So in no way LIC is going to be benefited. Their balance sheet will not be affected at any cost. So this is very important. This we call it as offer for sale. So this is not a fresh issue. This is offer for sale. This is a very important point that you should understand. By this IPO, government of India will get around 60,000 crores, which will be used for the development of the economic activity of the country. This is one point. Now, regarding LIC, we all know this is a leading insurance company, life insurance company in India. They have got a very good network, both in the urban areas and as well as in the rural area, and their agency network is number one in the country. Wherever you go, you can see people holding LIC policy, life insurance policy of LIC. So it's a leading government of India undertaking that we can always understand. Similarly, their share in the business is around 66% in the new business, insurance business. Similarly, overall business, their share is around 75%. So these are the characteristic features of this very important company, purely a government of India company, is a public sector enterprise holding 100% share. Now, on this 100%, they are coming out, their 5%, they are coming out with offer for sale, which I have already explained. So they may garner around 60,000 crores with this issue. So these points I have already explained. Now, coming to very important point, what benefit the policyholders have got. As per SEBI norms, around 35% is allotted to retail investors, around 5% to employees of the company, around 10% is allotted to policyholders. So this is an important benefit that the policyholders are going to get. And not only that, it is expected that for the policyholders, there will be some discount also in the price. That is also expected. So to get these benefits, what the policyholders will have to do is, they will have to link their PAN to their policy. That is very important. That has to be done before 28th February. Again, I am repeating, that has to be done before 28th February to get all these benefits. That is very important. Very simple. We have got a site, LIC of India www.licindia.in, where you can go, where you can give your policy number and also your PAN number. It will be linked. Only after that, only these benefits you will be eligible. So this is very important point, that all the policyholders who are interested to get these benefits can do so immediately. This is the purpose of this video. Secondly, you can ask me what will be the price. It is expected that the price range will be around 2,000 rupees. This is not an official communication. These are all expected based on some valuation. So before you invest, the valuation part also you will have to check up, because the reason that these issues that we have come across, the valuation has been very high, and after listing it has also gone below the par value, below the issue price. So you'll have to be more careful before you invest in such type of, that is though it is very much favorable, but valuation also has to be checked, and and you should also take good professional advice. This is one important point that I wanted to stress. Second, and another important point, so I have explained to you regarding the PAN that is linked to your insurance policy. Secondly, I have also talked about the valuation part also I have talked about, and where you will have to be more careful and before you invest. And third important point is, in any capital market, in anything related to shares, you should have a demat account. You can open a demat account. Without demat, it's not possible. So you'll have to open a demat account, that you can do it from NSDL, CDSL, or stock broking firms are there, or banks, or you can also do it through me, because I am an authorized distributor for all mutual funds, and we have got our NJ eWealth account, where you can have, this is an app, where through that app also, you can also open a demat account and also apply for this IPO, LIC IPO. So I will also be of great help to you. If at all you wanted, you can also take my services. So these are the very important points that I wanted to cover in this video. And another point that I wanted to make is, regarding this preferential issue, the maximum that you can invest will be around 2 lakhs, and even joint holders, in respect of joint holders in any LIC policy, the joint holders can also take this benefit. This is another important point that I wanted to stress. So overall, I wanted to make it very clear. And another thing is, regarding this demat account, there will be customers or LIC policy holders where this will be the first time they will be investing in shares. In that case, they will have to open a demat account. Then they will have to watch and see whether to do it or not. So if you are not conversant, in that case you can definitely avoid. Or if you feel that as a policy holder I should have this share also into my account, there's nothing wrong in it. Definitely you can definitely open a demat account, and after that you can do the needful. But in the case of existing, that is policy holders who are also dealing in shares, there is nothing wrong in it. They will be having a demat account. The only thing is, they will have to link the PAN with their policy number, and they can also start investing it. So the decision is yours. So before you take a final decision to invest in LIC IPO, all these points that you will have to take it into account. That is what I am stressing. And I wanted to make it very clear that this is not a promotional video. This is not a promotional video. This is only an educative video. I just wanted to give you certain characteristic features of this LIC IPO, and hence hence I have taken this initiative to talk to you. Definitely, I will only again say, please consult your distributor or insurance advisor or investment advisor before you take a decision. All the best. Thank you very much. Have a nice time, nice day. Thank you.